Africa is rising, a continent of vast land, youthful energy, and unstoppable ambition. Yet its cities are growing faster than they can be built. Traditional construction moves in decades, while populations move in months. At WAGAS, we reimagined how cities are created, not brick by brick, but system by system. Through modular integrated construction, entire city components are precision-built in advanced factories, digitally designed, robotically assembled, and ready to deploy at scale. What once took 10 to 15 years can now be delivered in 6 to 18 months. With industrialized construction, parallel workflows, and digital twins guiding every step, cities no longer wait, they emerge. Every module is engineered for Africa's realities: climate-resilient materials, thermal efficiency, integrated smart energy systems, tested, optimized, and assembled in controlled environments, ensuring quality, durability, and performance long before reaching the site. These are not isolated buildings, they are living systems. Energy, water, waste, mobility, healthcare, education, industry, all interconnected, all designed as one intelligent urban ecosystem. Modular construction accelerates more than buildings. It creates skilled jobs, transfers technology, and activates local value chains. Families move in. Factories go live. Productivity rises. Cities become engines of inclusive growth. Across Africa, a new generation of cities is taking shape. Faster, smarter, sustainable by design. This is how Africa builds at the speed of its ambition. WAGAS Smart Industrial Cities, the future, delivered.